Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by proving you belong in journalism. Get that evidence ready now. Collect a government photo ID, an employer or commissioning letter, and 2 recent published pieces. These show assignment or byline credibility. Once done, take clear passport-style photos and scan all documents at 300 dpi. Make sure file sizes meet the office's limits. You'll also verify eligibility criteria with the issuing authority because requirements vary. Knowing those differences saves time and prevents rejected applications. Start the application form now. Enter your legal name, outlet affiliation, and contact details carefully because mismatches delay processing. Upload or attach your scanned ID, employer letters, and sample work in the requested formats, then pay the fee if required and save the confirmation. Once submitted, the issuing body will run verification. This can include editorial confirmation and sometimes a background check, so be responsive to follow-up calls or emails. Make sure to note expected timelines and any tracking number provided. You will either receive the physical card or a digital credential. Check every detail as soon as you have it: name spelling, outlet listed, expiry date, and the photo must all be correct. If processing stalls, call or email the issuing office with your application ID and payment receipt. Stay polite but persistent. When an application is rejected, ask for the precise reason, fix only those items they flagged, and resubmit rather than reinventing the whole package. This speeds approval and preserves your submission date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.